We're out in the shop and the Landis grinder has its new home. We picked this up on an auction from the University of San Diego. According to the placards, used to belong to the Navy. It's a gigantic grinder. 12-inch wheel. It's a universal grinder. This head here swivels. You also have taper on the table. Came with a 6-jaw chuck. There are 5 motors in this machine. And it was a job getting it moved into here. Okay, here we are with the OD grinder. Turns out to be a lot heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's about 6,000 pounds. Finally found a manual. So we got it off the trailer, which we could barely do, and it's stuck here on the driveway, and with pallet jacks under it, it is absolutely impossible to move. So I had to go get my buddy and expert Bill Heather, and he's figured out a solution, and he's going to explain it to us. Thank you, Bill. So what he's come up with is we need to use machinery skates.
Well, you get them, actually these are 15-ton Hillman rollers, and the beauty of these is they almost like a tank track. They roll as you skate along the uneven surfaces, as long as the surfaces are hard. But better yet, the top part pivots. So you pull the pin, and this machine sitting here where my hand would be, and then what you would do is you'd have the whole handle on here, and you grab the handle and you rotate it. The machine stays still, but the wheels turn, and then you can pull in the direction and locate the machine where you want to go. It's really that simple. Nothing too special about it. Been used for many years. Many machines over the years have been moved with skates like these, which is what we're going to do today.
Thank you, Bill. That's really cool. So what we're going to do is lift up the corners of our special made pallet, and we're going to use our toe jack to get under the corners and put the skates on and see if we can get it moved. Alright, we used our equipment and got the machinery skates under. Those might work better under the machine, but we're going to try it under the pallet first. See if we can give her a roll. Alright, I've got it set up here. We're going to go over there and pull on those handles. We've got both handles hooked up, and it was physically impossible to push this thing with 2 pallet jacks under it, but with the machinery skates it will probably go like a hot knife through butter, but we'll see. Okay, we got it this far. I think you get the idea. We're just going to keep going till we get her done. And then at the end, I think we'll cut now to a close-up of talking a little bit more about them, showing you how they work. Okay, I decided I'd show you a little bit about the Hillman rollers. This particular unit has a capacity of 15 tons. They come in this case. I rented these down at the local rental place for 35 bucks. We're done using them. We got our machine moved, no problem at all. Some of the tools we needed for sure was the Johnson bar. That's a big oak handle on that. And also the toe jack. Needed that for sure. Buddy, you want to show us a little bit about the little machinery skates here?
These spin. there's rollers on the bottom.
Oh, it looks like a tank, huh?
Holds tons of weight.
Oh, look at that.
And it slides right across.
Looks like a tank. Let's see it move. Put it on its feet there and roll it. So if you have imperfections in the floor, let's say there's a penny that just happens to be there, it just rolls right over it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Little pebbles and things. And there's 4 of those. Get one of those handles over there and let's show what that does. There's a lock here on the top pad that rolls around, and you can lock it in place. Buddy has the handle there. Put the handle on and then you can pull it, and that's how you pull your machine. There it goes. Beautiful. Let's go show the piece of sheet metal we had to pull these over. We put a piece of this diamond plate steel. The diamond plate's on the bottom, and I think it's about 1/4 of an inch, and you'd have a hard time rolling a steel wheel over that, but these little tank pads have no problem with it at all. Right up over, no problem. Spin it around and come back the other way. Let me show that. Right up over. There it goes. Cool. That baby was heavy. What do you think about that, buddy? Was that easy to move or what?
No.
When you and I took it off the trailer, it was just about impossible, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So we tried 2 pallet jacks, and we could barely get it off. We got it off, but it was barely. So what do you think about these little machinery skates?
It'd be nice to have with everything that's heavy to move.
Yeah, maybe we'll have to buy some and not tell Mom about it. We'll hide them in the shop. What do you think about that?
Sounds good.
As it is now, she doesn't know about half of our machines, does she?
No.
Shh. All right, take it easy. David Dominesi, thanks for watching.